Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. If you're a camera lover or content creator, you're going to love this one. Today we're diving into DJI's exciting camera lineup for 2025. And trust me, the leaks are wild. From a brand new Osmo Pocket 4 with sharper resolution, to the rugged Osmo Action 6 and even a mysterious new mirrorless camera that could shake up the industry, DJI is gearing up for a massive year. We've also got the ultra-portable Osmo Nano and a 360 cam that's ready to rival Insta360 and GoPro. In this video, we'll break down all the major leaks, rumored features, expected launch dates, and why these cameras might be game changers. So, if you're planning your next gear upgrade or just love staying ahead in tech, hit that like button and subscribe to Factic for more updates like this. Now let's jump into the future of DJI cameras. Number 5. DJI First Mirrorless Camera. DJI is reportedly entering the mirrorless camera market with a full-frame sensor, marking a huge step forward for the brand. This would put DJI in direct competition with major players like Sony and Canon. The full-frame sensor is expected to offer superb low-light performance, natural depth of field, and pro-level image quality. A key highlight is the rumored Hasselblad collaboration, bringing top-tier color science to this camera. With Hasselblad's expertise, users can expect accurate, vibrant colors straight out of the camera, a big advantage for photographers and filmmakers alike. Leaked specs point to a 24-megapixel sensor, 4K 120fps video, and 4D stabilization, possibly an advanced version of DJI's Ronin 4D tech providing smoother footage beyond traditional IBIS. If true, it could eliminate the need for external gimbals. The camera may feature AI tools like HDR bracketing, real-time upscaling, subject tracking, and scene optimization, making high-end content creation easier. A modular, minimalist design with a comfortable grip and an Android-based UI is also rumored, focusing on usability and flexibility. Additional leaks mention 512 internal storage, wireless file transfer, and potential L-mount compatibility, giving users access to a broad lens ecosystem. DJI may also release its own lenses, possibly co-developed with Hasselblad for optimal performance. With advanced autofocus, burst shooting, and pro-level features in a compact, user-friendly body, DJI's mirrorless camera could be a disruptive force in the industry, appealing to professionals and aspiring creators alike. A 2025 release is expected. Number 4. The DJI Osmo Nano. The DJI Osmo Nano is shaping up to be a compact and powerful tool for mobile content creators. Weighing under 180 grams, its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry in a small bag or even a large pocket. With a brushed metal finish and magnetic phone mount, setup is quick and seamless, ready to shoot in seconds without the hassle of balancing. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, delivering smooth, cinematic footage even when you're walking or in motion. It supports modes like follow, tilt lock, and FPV, letting you tailor movement to your shooting style. Though it uses your phone's camera, DJI's intelligent software boosts video quality with real-time adjustments for color, sharpness, and brightness. The DJI Mimo app enhances the experience with live previews, editing tools, and one-tap templates. Even beginners can create polished content quickly. Smart modes like dynamic zoom, time-lapse, hyperlapse, and gesture control offer creative versatility, especially for vloggers and solo creators. Battery life is solid at 2 to 2.5 hours, and USB-C fast charging keeps downtime short. It even supports reverse charging, letting you top up your phone in a pinch. Overall, the Osmo Nano combines portability, intelligent features, and impressive stabilization into one elegant package. It's ideal for travelers, vloggers, and social media creators who want pro-level results without bulky gear. DJI keeps it simple and effective, making the Osmo Nano a powerful new option in mobile filmmaking. Number 3. DJI Osmo 360. The DJI Osmo 360 is another highly anticipated release, directly aiming at the 360 degrees camera market, dominated by Insta360 and GoPro. According to leaks from photo rumors and visuals shared by Hakushi, the Osmo 360 will have a dual-lens setup with a compact form factor, designed for creators who are constantly on the move. This camera appears to be DJI's response to the long-delayed GoPro Max 2. It features a front-facing display for live preview and quick control buttons for faster operation. However, there's one potential downside. Leaked renders show no visible mounting hook, which could be a drawback compared to Insta360's Magic Stick integration. Even though screen size might be a little small for precise framing, DJI seems to be focusing on a minimal, highly portable build. That means less bulk and easier handling. Leaks also show it's noticeably more compact than the Insta360 X4 and Osmo Action 5 Pro. This camera could be ideal for immersive travel vlogs, action sports, and VR-ready content. With DJI's history of great stabilization tech, expectations are high for the Osmo 360 to deliver smooth, seamless footage with full 360-degree coverage. Number 2. The upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to bring solid improvements while keeping the same compact design that made the series so popular. Leaks suggest that the camera will now support 5.4K resolution, an upgrade from the previous 4K catering to creators who demand crisper visuals and more editing flexibility. It will come with a 20mm f2.0 lens, aiming to deliver better dynamic range, richer colors, and improved low-light performance. This would be a big deal for vloggers or filmmakers who often shoot in varied lighting conditions. Thanks to a new processor, the Pocket 4 is expected to handle footage more efficiently, reducing noise and optimizing image quality. The mechanical gimbal will still be part of the design, ensuring stable footage even when shooting on the go. Still images are also said to receive a significant quality bump, possibly through better post-processing handled by the upgraded internals. In short, DJI is enhancing what already works without reinventing the form. The Pocket 4 will be ideal for both casual users and professionals looking for portability without compromising on image quality. Number 1. The DJI Osmo Action 6. Leaked images of the DJI Osmo Action 6 suggest it'll stick to a familiar design: dual front and rear displays, rugged build, and a bold lens up front. But what's caught everyone's attention is a mysterious pill-shaped component just below the front screen. Its purpose isn't confirmed, but it's likely a new sensor or hardware feature, sparking heavy speculation. More intriguing is the listing of 2 battery sizes: 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This hints at the possibility of 2 versions of the Action 6, a standard model and a Pro edition. If true, the Pro version could offer extended battery life and more advanced features like higher video resolutions, improved stabilization, and enhanced low-light performance, while the standard model stays compact and accessible. These leaks suggest DJI is aiming to satisfy both casual users and professionals. Many creators criticized the Action 5 Pro for average low-light performance and limited resolution options. If DJI improves those areas, the Action 6 could be a significant leap forward. Expectations are also high for better stabilization, possibly surpassing DJI's own Rocksteady tech as the brand competes with GoPro. The company's quick iteration also signals that it's responding directly to user feedback. With FCC leaks already circulating, a 2025 launch seems likely. Overall, the Osmo Action 6 looks poised to refine everything users loved about its predecessor, while solving key pain points and possibly introducing a pro-tier camera that pushes boundaries even further. So that wraps up everything we know so far about DJI's upcoming camera lineup in 2025. From the compact and powerful Osmo Nano to the highly anticipated mirrorless camera, DJI is clearly going all in to push the boundaries of mobile and professional content creation. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, traveler, or just love new tech, there's something in this lineup that's going to grab your attention. As always, we'll keep a close eye on official announcements and drop updates as soon as we get more details. What camera are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future uploads. Thanks for watching Factic, and we'll see you in the next one with more awesome tech content.